Hey there! I'm really excited to show you the hand-stitched companion pillow. This project has been such a joy to make. It's simple, cozy, and hand stitching. I wanted something small that felt creative but still approachable. This is something I've been wanting to try for a while. Something you could just sit down and enjoy without rushing through it. The project is beginner friendly, but it's also a really lovely way to slow down and add a bit of texture to your sewing. It features simple hand quilting so that you can enjoy that soft, tactile finish. I love projects like this because they let you experiment. You can make this as detailed or as minimal as you want. It's also a beautiful accent for your home or sewing space, especially with that little pop of hand quilting. Here's a quick look at the supplies. You'll just need your pillow form, batting, and a zipper. I also included a few optional items that I really enjoyed using. Geometric fabrics, for example, are great if you want easy stitching guides built right into your fabric print. Or if you want to use like a solid or an almost solid fabric, use a stencil and marking pen to draw your own designs. I've tried both approaches and it was fun to see how different they turned out. If you'd like to make a hand-stitched companion pillow, you've got a few options. You can take the Cozy Fall Stitches class where this pillow is part of the full set of projects, or join the Quilty Club membership to get access to every class and all the patterns automatically. Or if you just want to make this one pillow, you can purchase the standalone pattern anytime and sew at your own pace. I hope you decide to make this one on your own. I really loved working on this one. And whether you go with geometric fabrics or hand draw your own quilting lines, I think you're going to love it. So I've included links right below this video for everything I've mentioned, the 3 ways of purchasing this one. And thanks for watching this video. I will see you next time.